Hi guys, so today I have a fun video. I am going to be unboxing my first set of succulents. I never had succulents before. I always see them on other people's channels or Instagram pictures, and I think they're lovely, but honestly I'm kind of afraid because I don't really know how to take care of them. I have done a lot of research, but hopefully they take. I am going to be keeping them outside for about a month, and once the temperatures go really cold, then I'll be bringing them inside. But I'm excited to show you what I got. Oh, this is cute. And you guys, I am going to be putting the information below from where I ordered these succulents. Aww. Okay, how to take care of the succulents, watering, and all of that goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how well packaged they come. I don't know if you can see that well. Oh, I'm afraid you still even get them out. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. I know some of the names because I message Cindy back and forth, and I know some of the names, so I'll just put the names on the screen if I have them. Ooh, this is a big one. Oh, wow. Look at this. That way you can see it better against the background. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I know she was afraid of how they were going to do in transit. Oh. I mean, she took care of everything. Look at that. Oh, these are beautiful. They're just so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Look at this. Oh. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this, you guys. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, this one definitely needs a little bit of water and cleaning because it came all the way from California, you guys. So, you know. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I know this one is Silver Ruffles. I don't know why, I just remember the name. Look at that. I mean, they were here for 2 days. They came all the way from California to Indiana, so obviously they're going to look a little sad. It's expected. Oh, wow. And I think that I know that this is called Lola. Lola. I think there's a song about that. Look at that. Look at that, I don't know, like a soft pearl color looking. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, look at this. I can't remember the name of this one, but I think it's just so gorgeous. Lace something, I can't remember. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And they all come with roots, which is always a plus. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this container at Lowe's. It already has a drainage hole. And it has a little saucer here so that I don't have to worry about adding rocks at the bottom or doing anything else. The biggest thing with succulents, I believe, is that if they get too much water, they will rotten. So I am making sure that my container has drainage, and I have this Lazy Susan that just kind of helps me move the container around because I want to look at all angles, so this makes it easier for me. And I am using potting mix that is already prepared for succulents, and that way I'm not having to worry about mixing soil or special types of soil to get what I want. So I am going to start with my favorite one. And I don't have any kits for cleaning or planting succulents. This guy right here, I actually use it for my camera. It's like a blower for my camera lens. But I think that this is perfect for just cleaning up. I think that succulents are one of those things that are really easy to grow, but still I am just worried that, I don't know, that I might overwater or that I might underwater, I don't know. Okay, and this one, it kind of separated in different pieces. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to separate it in a couple of them. That way they can just kind of grow. And they're very dry because, like I said, they came all the way from California. And if I need to raise, from the videos that I have been watching, if I need to raise 1 or 2 plants in the one container, I can just pile up the soil around it. And like I mentioned, you guys, I don't have any experience with succulents. So if you have any tips for me or any advice, let me know. Like I say, I'm going to be keeping these guys outside until it gets cold, and then I'll have to bring them inside, which I'm excited because I really love the container, and I'm excited to bring it inside. Okay, so I got a couple more. I need to move these guys here. And I'm just making a mess, which is okay. That's why I'm doing everything outside. Okay. And the last thing that I'm going to do is that I'm just going to use this moss. I got this mask at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's just going to make it look nicer. I know that a lot of people use rocks, and if you like that look, I suppose that it's totally okay. I personally don't like to top my containers with rocks, so even if you have like mulch or something else that you like, you can use, or you can just leave it as is. What do you guys think? This is my first succulent arrangement. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just love it so much. And what I'm going to do next, I am just going to give it a nice water, and I am going to bring it on a sunny spot because I know that these girls need it, and they definitely need lots of sun because they have been 2 days stuck in a box in the dark. So I just, my gosh, I just absolutely love them. I think that my favorites have to be these two guys, the pink ones, the Echeverias or whatever you call them. I just love that color. Look at that. And I think that it goes very well with the container as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, you guys. Do you guys have any succulents? I am going to put the information below in the comments and in the description where I got the succulents from. Let her know, let Cindy know that I sent you. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, maybe today is the day. Thank you for being here, and until the next video.